Your wise choice of a TeraFlex suspension with Alpine arms will add flex and control that will be reflected in your Jeep's ability to conquer a trail, as well as to visually stimulate. But with greater capability comes greater responsibility. TeraFlex recognizes that your new position as the head of the pack will require you to render aid and assistance to the less capable. In an effort to spread love and camaraderie on the trail, TeraFlex will extend, free of charge, the offer of a complete TeraFlex Recovery Kit with the purchase of very long or short arm Alpine 8-arm upgrade kit. The offer, of course, includes our Alpine 8-arm equipped complete suspension systems, like the CT3, 4, or 6. All examples of wise choices. TeraFlex Alpine arms. No maintenance, no noise, no question warranty, no brainer. Offer valid on all purchases between August 17, 2018 and September 3, 2018. Make your best deal with your supplier. Submit your valid receipt by mail or by email by September 15, 2018 to receive your very own TeraFlex Recovery Kit. See official rules for the fine print.